Hiya, I'm Carl Bell, the owner of Achilles Physio, based in Gosforth, Newcastle. We're delighted to have introduced the RS Footscan system for a number of reasons. Firstly, to assist in the diagnosis and functional assessment of foot biomechanics in relation to lower limb injuries. Secondly, it allows us to produce Phits insoles, the world-leading 3D printed custom orthotics based on your dynamic gait analysis. We're lucky to have a 40-metre indoor running track at our Gosforth clinic, giving us an optimal clinical setting. As a company, we pride ourselves on high-quality service delivery. This allows us to assess individuals from all backgrounds and get to the point of the injury very quickly. We utilise the system with golfers, footballers, cyclists, mountaineers and runners. You can also utilise this in a golfing environment to measure balance efficiency, as it helps measure centre of pressure and postural sway during the stance phase of a swing. The 3D feedback from the computer is engaging and educational. It allows the patient to make the decisions of the rehabilitation pathways. This also gives us great real-time images of those that may be suffering from the overuse or lower limb injuries. The Phits orthotics are 3D printed, and the adjustments and cushioning is tailored to specific needs. This is truly a game changer in the rehabilitation, performance and care pathway for us at Achilles Physio. If you'd like to book in for gait running analysis, please visit our website at www.achillesphysio.co.uk. Give us a call on 01434 609 494.